Hello everybody. Today we have something very cool. Today we are changing the Civic forever. So you might be thinking, changing the Civic forever? What does that even mean? What are we doing? Well, I'll show you. But it's gonna take me about 30 minutes, and for you, you're gonna have to wait like probably 2 seconds. Guys, look, this is one thing that I got. Mom, what is this?
It's a bung.
And what does it screw into?
Your bung hole.
This screws into the bung hole. I can't get over that. This is a -10 AN bung for the oil pan, just because mine started leaking because the JB weld cracked off. I don't know if I showed you guys that, but Caleb's gonna be welding this on for me. That's one thing that I got. Mom, where's the big package?
Downstairs by the laundry chute.
Oh, here's the big package. Jeez, this is actually a way bigger box than I thought it was gonna be. Should I show them what it is now, or should I make them wait until I get home?
I don't know. What do you want to do? I want to see.
I'm gonna open it up, but I'm not gonna show them until I get home. All right, so I just picked up some 3M tape. I got the lip in the car. I'm gonna bring the lip out. I'm gonna line the top of the lip with tape, and then we're gonna smack it on with tape first, and then I'll screw in self-tappers into the back of the bumper. Should be a really easy install. I've done this before. I'm excited. I think it's gonna look good. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I have some chips in my paint because the couple of times that this car died to me, we had to push it onto a U-Haul dolly trailer, and it's a little bit too low to clear the trailer. So I don't know if you guys can see this from over there, but it sucks. Oh yeah, I didn't even tell you guys what it was. It's a brand new front lip. So this 3M tape should be on pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and peel off a little bit of the backing, just a tiny bit, so that when I place this lip onto the bumper, I can grab it, peel it off, and then press it onto the front bumper of the Civic. Here, I'll show you what I mean. All right, so like that. So you just peel a little strip off so that you can grab it once this is already on. The next step is to screw this thing on, like on the behind the bumper by the wheel wells. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but that's the next step. Then you peel the 3M tape, then you hit it with the blow dryer again. I'm gonna go ahead and try to set this up a little bit better. I'll do screw 1 on the other side, and then we'll do screw 2 over here. Holy smokes. Boys, it did it. It's on. It looks frickin' sick. I just want to comment on the fitment real quick. So overall, it was pretty good. I know that I didn't like reveal it to you guys like I said I was going to. I ended up leaving the box at my mom's house. But the fitment, it's all right. The fitment's okay. So it fits really well around the sides of the bumper, like right here. Fits really well here, but when you get up to the front, there's a little gap right here. Well, I'm thinking I'm probably just gonna get some black self-tappers, small ones, put one in this corner and one in this corner just to hold it back. Look at how much further it can go back. So that would look way better. And otherwise, it's pretty good. The fitment's solid. So if you guys out there have Civics or anything where you're gonna buy like an eBay front lip for like 35 bucks, I literally paid 35 bucks for this lip. It's probably an okay move. The other cool part is it's polyurethane. So if you heat it up really hot with like a heat gun, and then you hold it in the shape that you want it to be, let it cool off in that shape, it will more than likely hold the shape that you're trying to make it hold. It worked twice on this. Damn, I'm just looking at it right now and it looks so sick. I love the black and white contrast. It looks so good. I'm about to FaceTime my best friend, see what he says. See what he thinks of it. I really want to get like a freaking, like a splitter too. Like one of those like arrow splitters where it's just the little piece of like, yeah, and I want to get like those stabilizer bars that like bolt up in here.
Oh shit.
Wouldn't that be sick, dude? Do you want to tell YouTube something?
I just want to tell you guys all to have a great day and to like this video.
Yeah, that's important. Oh, should I do like a cool like reveal thing? Just like a slow motion edit? Yeah, I think I will. I haven't done one in a while. think that's probably it for this video, but that's most of what I have. I think it looks really good. So yes, indeed, boys, it does look very good. I'm very, very happy about the way this lip turned out. Everyone that I've showed it to so far has said that it looks really nice, and everyone keeps saying to leave it black, and I agree. I think the black looks super good. So I'm gonna be leaving it black. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, just go ahead and get the heck out of here. Also, if you like this video, please consider clicking that subscribe button. As soon as we hit 2,500 subs, I'm gonna be designing merch and setting up a website and everything, which is something I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to like run my own business, and that would give me the opportunity to run my own clothing business. If you guys wanna see more of the Civic with the lip, please check out my Instagram. I'll put it right here and also in the description of this video. And that's it for today. So as I always say, boys, thank you for watching, and remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals, and live the dream, baby. Bye.